What's up, lovely people? Good morning, good afternoon. How are you? Hope this video finds you well. Hope you're all doing fantastic. I'm coming to you right now from an undisclosed location near the Swiss border. Just arrived back from Asia. I made a video yesterday where I was going into the Bitcoin price. I couldn't upload it in time due to bad Wi-Fi and my time schedule. I had to board my plane. So I loaded it up once I arrived, which was now 25 minutes ago, and I uploaded it because the price prediction was spot on, and the prediction for the not immediate future, but for the next couple of days, next couple of weeks was still as well spot on. I want to go into the charts today again and just to see if we can find anything that is useful, any relevant information that we can make some money off, and as well go through some of the news if there's anything relevant. Stay with me. Okay guys, so we start by just going through the news. I always send ChatGPT basically different news sites and I ask him. I've prompted him before so I get a good answer of what the relevant news are. And according to today's news is Bitcoin ETF continues to get applications, so different entities are still filing for a Bitcoin ETF, probably the same with Ethereum. On the regulatory news side, the European Union has proposed new regulations for crypto assets to ensure better transparency and investor protection. So we are going to get scammed as the retailers again. And just a general market sentiment. I mean, there's still fear of inflation, right? There is economic slowdown, which continues to weigh on every investor globally. But in general, the optimism of Bitcoin has increased, and as well now, of course, of Ethereum. The general price action, BTC USDT is 60,700, 800-ish level right now. The recent bounce from, of course, 58K, it signaled a short-term bottom. However, all of the moving averages, the 50, the 100 and 200 day, they are still trending downwards. This is a continuous bearish momentum. The alligator indicator now is showing that the three moving averages are converging. So the 13, 8 and 5, indicating a potential trend reversal if a breakout occurs. Let's see if that occurs though. On the Bollinger Bands, we are still on the lower range of the Bollinger Bands. It can be oversold, but it can be as well a continuous downtrend. However, now look at the Fibonacci extension level. Well, we can basically see that the 0.5 level is the 56K-ish level, which I gave as an exact target. And if we don't hold this one, we might see 52K. And guess what? 61.8 is 52K. I'm bearish on the Bitcoin price, but I'm bullish on my predictions though right now. I think we are going to hit that. There's been a spike in trading volume around 58K level, so it's significant support which we can see. However, you know, the more often the support gets tested, it eventually breaks down and then maybe becomes new resistance. We will see. Yeah, on the bullish hand, I would still say if we can hold above now 62K level, we can go to 65K. This is more of a risky trade. If we can go over 65K with volume and push through, I think it's an easy trade to make, just to look for the new all-time high. However, you know, we are still very much news dependent. There's still a lot of news in potential future that are going to come out in the future with the Bitcoin ETF, with Ethereum ETF, that can all push the prices much higher, much faster. So to be completely bearish is definitely not recommended. But if you can see like a setup or a trading structure on the chart and playing out, it just makes sense to participate. And it has been so obvious now for the last couple of days. So on a bearish hand, just the failure of 58K, it will definitely lead us to the 56K 200-ish level, which is the 0.5 FIB extension. It indicates further downside pressure. So I'm going to keep monitoring all of the news regarding like a Bitcoin ETF, anything that could be substantial for the market. And I will keep checking the price level. Once we go below 58K, I'm going to double down on my shorts further. If we go above 65K, I'm going to close my shorts and I'm going to probably enter into a long position if we're going to get follow through with volume. Okay guys, I forgot again to make an outro. If this video brought you any value, please feel free to subscribe, leave a like, comment. We can stay in touch. I don't have any followers on YouTube yet, so it is very easy for me to respond yet. Yeah, thank you so much for tuning in. I'm not just going to keep pushing trading videos. I as well want to talk a little bit about the ethos of crypto that has been lost, how real DeFi is still the future of everything, that real world assets, RWAs, are going to make a lot of people who are in crypto positioned right correctly now millionaires in a very close or nearby future. I'm sorry, my English is still bad. I need to go to sleep. I wish you a fantastic day, guys. I will catch up with you tomorrow, see what the charts hold in store for us, and if there's any relevant news or development in crypto. I think Blast blockchain has launched now, so if you had positioned a deposited money on Blast Ethereum, you're most likely eligible for an airdrop. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and love you people. See you tomorrow.